obtain our variance of x is equal to our expected value of x squared minus expected value of x squared. So we can recall that our expected value of x, recall that our expected value of x is equal to what we got was 1 all over p, and our expected value of x squared, what we got is p plus 2q all over p squared. So all we need to do is just to substitute this into the variance formula. So for we to do that, we move over to this side of the board. So it then means that our variance of x is equal to, first we write is p plus 2q all over p squared minus 1 all over p, which is what we got for our expected value of x all squared, which is equal to p plus 2q all over p squared minus 1 all over p squared. If we take the LCM of these two, we have p squared to give us p plus 2q minus 1. Of course, we can still do something, meaning our variance of x can be written as p plus, we can open this to give us p plus, we have 2q there, q plus q minus 1 all over p squared. So we must resolve that. It then means we move over to this side of the board. So it means that our variance of x is equal to, now from probability, we know that p plus q is equal to 1. So we have that 1 plus q minus 1 all over p squared. All over p squared. Of course, this will cancel this. It then means that our variance of x is equal to q all over p squared. So this is how to obtain the variance for the characteristics function of the geometric distribution. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.